Hi guys, VST here, Venex Tech. Welcome back on my channel. Everybody, for all the new guys here, hi, my name is Velian and I do tech videos. Guys, I found a way to record phone calls in the latest Samsung One UI 2.1 without doing the SIM trick. You know, when you put like a SIM card from Thailand or Israel, whatever, like then you can enable this stock setting very quickly with an application. But before we get to this part, if you're really new to my channel and if you are not subscribed, please make this better. Go here, hit the subscribe button, then go on the notification bell and then hit the button all. And in that case, once I post a new video, guys, you're gonna get notified. Hopefully, if YouTube doesn't really break something. Now, going back to the video, if you do own a Samsung phone like I do, this is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and you don't have phone recording because GDPR in Europe or whatever, right? You can install this application. It's called True Phone Dialer and Contacts and Call Recorder. I'm just gonna do the setup together with you guys. Just gonna then dial somebody to do a test and let you know if that works or not. Hit the download button, press open here. Now you need to grant some settings to this application, guys. It's extremely important in order for this to be working. Now you need to make this be your default phone app, okay? So you can do this by just hitting here, okay, choose True Phone, then set as default. Then you need also to enable some permissions here, okay, then press allow, okay? And then you also should enable the permission to draw over other applications. And now guys, that's pretty much it. So you already have the application set up and we need to see if that works or not. Okay, you have here favorites, we have phone, you have contacts, we have groups, right guys? What you can do here, go to settings and then you're going to be presented with plenty of options, which I'm not going to cover in this video because I'm only interested in one option, and that's the call recording here. And then guys, we can see we have incoming, ongoing calls where also the call recording option is. Then you just hit here call recording. Okay, then you just need to scroll down, call recording, enable call recording, guys. Once you enable this, guys, you're gonna see you have this recording up, right? And then guys, you can change apparently the output format. Now the standard one has the AMR codec, which has a sample rate of 8000 Hz or 16,000, so go to 16,000, guys. Press here, auto record, just for the sake of the test. Alright, and then guys, just go back and we're gonna be doing the test. Also very important, put it here, add to media gallery, enable to make records visible in the media gallery, so once you do a recording, it's gonna be very easily accessible to you, okay? And with that said, guys, just let's do a test here. Now guys, I've called my customer service. You need to also give it and grant it another right, and this here goes the following way. So you go to install services here, right? And then you just need to search for True Phone, and then you need to give this option on. By that said, guys, you should be all set. By the way, you see my phone call is already ongoing and I can drag it with my finger, very nice and convenient. Now when you go back here, right, you can just go back to call. And now guys, let's just put it to speaker. Okay, where is the speaker here? Phone, let's tap speaker here. Let's press, the call is now being recorded, let's press the record button. Of course, we are now game. Test 1, 2, 3. I'm simulating this, of course, by calling my customer service center. 1, 2, 3 test, 1, 2, 3 test, 1, 2, 3 test. Okay, this should be enough for the test. Let's hang up. Okay, call recording has now ended. Okay guys, we have these 3 files recorded. One is 59 kilobytes, probably that's the real deal. Let's try to open it. I'm gonna use Google Play as a player here.
За проверка на минути, SMS и мегабайти, натиснете 2 или посетете мобилното приложение MyTelenar за допълнителен пакет мегабайти, интернет и ММС.
Okay, you see, it's all set, guys. It's all up and running, okay? So if you want to enable call recording on your Samsung Galaxy phone without many hassles, guys, you just need to download the True Phone Dialer and Contacts and Call Recorder. Really a nice app. It has a tons of settings which I'm not gonna cover in this video because the main part was here to cover the call recording. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and then again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And with that said, VST over and bye. Yeah, and just for the new guys here, I always throw things at the end of my videos.